Introducing BlackVue DR590W series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dash cams. The BlackVue quality in a connected compact dash cam. Both main cameras use a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor. This means brighter images in dark surroundings, so your vehicle is well protected day and night. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080p, while the single channel model records in full HD at up to 60 frames per second. Featuring buffered parking mode, your BlackVue protects your vehicle when you are away. With its low profile, it never gets in the way of your driving. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect to your dashcam with the BlackVue app. Adjust your dashcam's orientation, modify settings, and download videos to your smartphone without ever taking the microSD card out. BlackVue DR590W series, simple Wi-Fi dashcam.
Drive with peace of mind with the A119S DashCam from Spy Tec. This cam is low profile, making the camera less intrusive on your dashboard. Easily place the A119S in your vehicle with a self-adhesive mount, then set it and forget it with the auto on-off feature. This cam runs when your car runs and has impact detection to automatically save footage from a crash. The 2-inch screen makes it clear and easy for choosing settings and reviewing footage. The A119S comes with a better sensor that uses larger pixels, improving footage quality and information to hone in on those specific details. This camera features excellent, clean nighttime video, utilizing the state-of-the-art Sony IMX sensor. If you drive frequently at night, the A119S is the ideal choice out of the A119 lineup. The parking mode allows you to keep an eye on your vehicle, even while parked, especially useful when paired with our dash cam hardwire kit. Protect yourself on the road and get the A119S DashCam, only from Spy Tec.
Hula dance. Introducing the latest Garmin Dash Cam. It's a standalone driving recorder that serves as an eyewitness to your drive. Featuring helpful driver alerts, including the forward collision warning and red light and speed camera warnings. Dash Cam automatically saves footage if you are in an accident, while GPS shows when and where incidents occur. Play back your video footage right on the display. And what does that all mean? It means it's time to send Hula Girl back to the luau. Look at that Hula Girl go. She's still got it. The new Dash Cam from Garmin, a better companion for the road ahead.